Hey, Peyton.
Don't run over anybody. Let's stand up in the dirt. Taking a video.
Peyton,
Stand up.
go see a pumpkin.
A wagon. We'll maybe let you sit in there. It's kind of gross, but whatever. Peyton, wait. Wait. Let's move this if you want to take that for a ride.
He says, I'm just going to push the wagon.